All right, have faith. Still turns on. Beauty. Yee, the old stomping grounds. Well, actually, this place can still be our stomping grounds for the next 5 months. But a lot of you guys were complaining about how dirty these cars were. Actually, none of you were, it was me. So I actually cleaned them, and now they're really shiny again. Showroom spec. Well, not quite showroom spec, but super shiny. And since I'm getting rid of one drift build, I mean, it'd be nice to at least have one. Between these two, I definitely probably keep the RX7. I actually do still want to address the open hood situation, and me and my friend Jordan are still working on something for that. But also, there is a little part of me that really wants to keep it. Like, I can see myself driving an RX7, and honestly, I haven't gotten all that much time with this thing. So, personal seat time, driving it on Calgary city roads. It's also, I don't know, not the most practical thing to drive on the streets. And she is loud and a little obnoxious. If you don't know how to drive a Japanese imported drift missile, it's a whole other beast. I'm actually thinking of keeping it now. Unless the right offer comes onto my lap, then yeah, let's get it.
Kind of a gaming laptop, but it works pretty well for running like all of my other rendering programs and whatnot.
Crazy.
Running the PC in my office won't work because I need to be able to move around.
Yeah, for sure. That can handle those kinds of programs, right?
For sure, yeah. It's not the craziest laptop out there, but it just gets the job done. That's
totally.
All I need.
Baby, we could try again. We could try again.
And over top, it's going to cover the engine components, at least visually, and make sure they can still vent out heat. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Alright.
So the idea, what I had intended was to use some sort of like D-Max hood, but then my second idea was to use a hood scoop, just because this protrudes a little further from the hood than I'd like it to. But I think I'm gonna leave the custom work in the hands of Jordan here, because he has the vision, and the way he explained it, like, he kind of knows the direction I want, so.
Open to bring it to life for sure.
Oh, I know you will, man.
Right,
thank you.
So
We're
we're gonna use this, again, we're gonna be scanning essentially black paint, which is really hard to scan. So it's just a contrast spray. It evaporates after just a couple hours, depending on the heat. Again, if it's super cooking hot out, it'll go away within minutes, which can be sometimes a pain when working with it.
That's true.
But there's a lot of dark areas, so we just wanna make sure everything comes up really nice from the scans. So that's kind of the plan here. I'm not spray painting his car, don't worry guys. I might go a little bit wider even, just so it's got a little bit more visual to it than just this small section. So I might go around it one more time and just seeing what actually contrasts up here and what stays nice and glossy.
So as long as it's matte, right?
Exactly.
Because if it was a white car.
White cars actually scan pretty nice.
Oh, okay.
I've scanned a full white car without having to use any of this. It's
nice.
just kind of based on the color.
Right.
Some darker cars scan harder than others.
What? Freaking technology, man. It's like sonar, dude.
Getting an ultrasound under your hood.
Yeah, pretty much. You guys want to see the baby? That is ridiculously cool, man.
So this will allow me to pick up the high points, like what's sticking out more than others. So I can set the distance that it's going to sit away from all your engine components here.
It like knows gravity-wise, if you go sideways, it'll go sideways and stuff.
Yeah, so it's picking up other things that it's previously scanned. So it would be like if I showed you a square, and then that square keeps moving away from you.
Okay.
Depending how far that square moved away from you is going to be how far away you are from the next point. So it's just building up this recognition of a bunch of different points, how far away they are.
Yeah.
And then kind of pieces it all together, big puzzle. Just need to clean up a few spots that a part overlapped. It'll jump if it thinks it's in the same place twice. So just want to clean up some areas here. Then I'll go back over top.
Oh, interesting.
Have a nice clean scan.
With the Toyota logo.
Oh yeah. It'll pick up little scratches in paint too. We noticed something on one of our other cars that
It's like that dent. It's like,
yeah,
wait,
it's like,
what the?
didn't even notice it otherwise, but
I can see that.
this will be ready for now a process, and it'll come out even cleaner than this. So we'll generate the point cloud from here.
Wicked, dude.
Do I think?
Yeah. They have a full course set up. Oh my god. Okay, okay.
Oh, I'm close. It's 19.41.
What's the best time right now?
18.8? 18.8 by
This
you,
kid?
yeah.
Of course, of course. Wanna have some fun? Wanna have some time trials? Wanna race? Like you go on this side?
Yeah, so this one cuts outside, outside around this,
Yeah.
outside around that one,
Okay.
and then outside around that, and same deal back.
Oh, you go on the outside of that one and then
Yeah, you
this?
go
Oh,
outside.
and then straight. Okay. Alright, homies. Ready?
Send it.
When you're ready.
'Kay.
3, 2, 1, go. I don't know.
Sorry, Audi.
2070.
What? What? How's that 2 seconds off? I felt so fast.
The battery's dying.
Could be. Could be. Damn, man. That felt fast.
That was a quick one.
Depends how you take those. 2 seconds? Okay, so 18 seconds is the time to beat.
Gotta go still too. So.
That's the guy. That's the guy? You gotta give me like a warm-up run. Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
No, you're good. Still regulation.
Yeah, it's pretty fast, dude.
Oh, 2006.
2006? That's not bad.
That's pretty tight.
The tape's on the wrong side, right?
Beat me by like 0.1.
You got it? Countdown.
Ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, beat himself by 1 second.
Go.
Maybe it is losing battery.
I don't think he was pouring it there.
Yeah, pedal to the metal. It helps.
Try to fuck up the cord? No, you're good.
You did it, you did it.
1963. There's no way!
That looked pretty good.
And otherwise, it's just getting to a close point. Got it overbuilt right now, just taking it to the next step, but
Yeah.
it's pretty much ready to go to print. Again, I've got a few things that are going to be overbuilt. Just gotta
Yeah, I
load
still
down,
really
but-
want to do that.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, I think it would be just a good addition, regardless of what you end up doing with the car.
Exactly, yeah.
And again, this is overbuilt so that we can print it and then remove it in the final part,
Right.
right? So just building those pieces in, and then I'll cut it to the shape of the hood, and we'll go from there. But everything fits underneath the vents, which is good.
Yeah. Whoa, that's gonna look so sick.
So that's kind of the gist of it. So as long as you're cool with that, we can start printing it
Totally, man.
ASAP.
It's looking good to me, man.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Just leaving you to your creative freedom, bro.
Right on. I appreciate that. I want to make sure that you like it though before I go and start printing parts. So glad I get the thumbs up today.
Sweet, man. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Sweet. All right, man. Well, I'll let you get back to it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go chill in rush hour traffic for the next 30 minutes. You're in trouble. We're going on our family road trip. We're spending 3 days, well, basically the weekend in Invermere, which is several hours drive from Calgary. So just become one with nature again. Well, the family decided to come to this resort and spend a little time just with the family, you know. Right beside this resort is actually this really nice golf course. This is where we're staying. It's like a hotel cottage in the middle of nowhere. A few hours drive away from Calgary. Chilling with the fam jam.
You got this, Mom.
It's a workout. Good exercise though, Mom.
I know, maganda anak, no?
Yeah, in the mornings. It's cool as we all get our own barbecues too.
Meron na.
There's a basketball court over there, tennis, little park, and then there's also a swimming pool. Yo, go on, come on. Let's check out our room.
Come inside na. Para mag-fit na.
Sweet. Time to relax. Go on. Just relax, bro. This kid almost ate the. Oh! Ow!
Okay ka lang napaka-hurt dun, di ba?
Oh! This inside space itself looks like a one-bedroom condo. It's pretty nice.
Anak, tanggalin to.
Here's the master, which is actually also connected to outside. So you got a barbecue, little patio section, and then the main living room area with its own TV as well.
Sorry. Sorry.
You never know, he's under you. This is awesome. So pretty much I've just brought a bunch of my work to be able to do throughout the course of these 3 days. I'm just gonna relax and catch up with some of my commissions. Mostly art, and as for like videos and stuff, I do have a few that are scheduled, but I don't know if I'm gonna take the time this weekend to edit any of them, just cause I kinda wanna make the most of my time here and live in the moment, you know? Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this time to kinda just, you know, gather my thoughts and catch up with some of my artwork. I just feel like I've solely been focusing on the car stuff for the past several months, and it's hard to give 100% to everything that you're doing throughout a regular basis. So the idea with the RX7s, we're definitely going to be fixing it up, making it 100%, getting rid of the minor oil leak. I mean, that's the last thing on the to-do list really, and take care of that open hood, which I'm just going to trust my friends at Infamous, Jordan. First, if he can accentuate the curves of the RX7 and kind of complement it, the idea is to make it look like an OEM piece, you know? Down the line though, if we ever come across a 13B, I'm probably gonna convert it back and just throw that back into the RX7 and then raise its value that much more. That's the idea. But that's it for this video, guys. Remember, embrace your family time when you have it. Bask in it, because the older you grow, the further that time gets away from you, and you don't want to leave this earth feeling regret that you didn't spend enough time with your family. That's it. When's the last time you actually said I love you to your parents? You know, that's a question. That's the question. You know, I love you guys. Appreciate the support you've given me these past years, and thank you for being here and for still being here. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you guys subscribe. You know, I'm not for everybody, but also you can't please everybody. Appreciate you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you when we see you. Peace. Mama.
I know.
First things first. Filipino spaghetti and adobo and rice. Let's go. You jealous?